welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Curly, that's Marcia. Now, what I'm asking for you guys to do is to go over to her page and on her WhatsApp and order something from her. She has sheets and stuff. You know, she's been selling sheets, comforters, all those sort of stuff. And she also ships, to different areas. So you could go ahead and purchase something from her. She'll tell you what she has available at the moment. She normally has like dresses also, and a lot of different household stuff. So go ahead over and go make your purchase from Marcia Everlast. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for making it Mixup Blend Up.
Yes, my picture's supposed to come up. Yes, it's me. What me ask you what me have in my ear? What color? What you see in my ear? Well, that's me. That's me. Hebrews chapter 10 verse 35. Therefore do not cast away your confidence, which has great reward. I mean that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So everybody that ordered tonight, when I'm finished my live, each and every one of you, please to call me. Let me put your name on the sheets with a piece of paper. So when I go get the boxes at Walmart, I just want to make sure everybody get them right stuff. Everybody call me and let me put it, get your paper, the marker, and mark your name on your stuff. If I Florida, if I this and whatever it is. Because I have to go into the Cash App and WhatsApp and take out all the addresses and write them down in a book. Because I'm going to place me a search for them and I take up too much space in there. So I just want to make sure everybody get the right colors and whatever they want. So everybody who ordered, please to call me and stuff. Hello? I see payment come for one sheet. I wish sheet to order again. The black, the gray stripe. Oh, the one where I go to Brooklyn. Oh, brown. Okay, we just want to make sure it's a Brooklyn or brown. Okay, no problem. Yeah, thank you for your support. Yes, I saw it. Yeah, those are coming in on Tuesday. I just want to get these out of the way. I don't want too much stuff pack up in my house. Me not in a space. And I can't bring them upstairs. It don't make no sense. Me have to bring them upstairs and carry back down. Me don't want to cripple before time. So can you imagine going up the stairs with them at every sheeter and I walk up 13 stairs. And when me ready, me for carry them back down. So I don't have no space in my living room. So I have to order like few boxes at a time. Because I don't have no space to put it. Okay, no problem. Just listen out for me on live, and then me will know when to sell. Everything that is sell is already out, so I know what sell from when to sell. So just listen to my live, and I say, look, who ordered this one sheet and whatever, give me a call, because I want to make sure that all the shipment goes out. Okay? So I'm going to try to ship some shipping tomorrow. Not tonight. I'm tired. Okay, so thank you very much, and just listen out, okay? All right then, bye-bye. Okay, so thanks to everybody that ordered sheets. We have 3 left. If you're interested, the polka dot is here. And this one is here. And this beautiful one is right here. So if you're interested, look at it. And these are 4 pillowcases. You got 2 plain and 2 colored one. And you have 1 fitted sheet, 1 flat sheet, and perfect. There, these colors are very beautiful and vibrant. Look nice on your bed. And then you have this beautiful polka dot right here, so. And then you have this one right here. Very pretty.